Unger professional replacement window and glass scraper blades, 4-5 blades. Carbon-coated blades. Storage case included. Includes 5 replacement blades. Compact in size. Unger's replacement scraper blades are carbon-coated for superior strength and durability. Each pack contains 5 4-inch replacement blades for Unger's window glass scraper. A handy carrying case comes included to store and protect the blades. Construction or workmanship. Top reviews from the United States. Good blades. They do what they're meant to do with its corresponding holder. They're sharp, and well oiled so that they will last longer while stored in its nice little box. Fair price for the amount of blades that it comes with. I feel that they dull out 6 or more months after use. I use these on my glasstop stove 1 to 2 a week. Or if the rust gets to it first, since I rinse it off with water and sometimes I forget to properly dry it out.